Hi guys. So last lesson you talked about how credit card payments work. So the first thing you looked at was looking at like an actual credit card statement, right? And it showed you that on a credit card statement you're going to get your balance if you have one, and you're going to get how much money you owe, as well as any fees that are associated with that statement. So were you late? Did you have a balance transfer? Did you do a cash advance, which you should not, but if you did, okay, that's all going to be on your statement, and it's going to show you exactly how much you owe and how much you would have to pay if you only paid the minimum balance. And then you guys watched those videos that walked you through how credit card statements work, right? So all the money you're spending in month one isn't actually due until month two. You have that grace period where you're not going to get any interest on it. If you pay that off in full, you get no interest and you're good. But if you only pay off part of it, you're going to get charged interest on all the rest of it into month two, into month three, and so on and so forth. And so the way to use credit cards responsibly is to always pay your balance in full and never just make the minimum payment. This is another really important thing, guys. This is something that I would yell at you. Never just make the minimum payment. Okay, you're paying so much money in interest that it's literally not worth whatever you bought. Okay, never just make the minimum payment unless it is emergency. Okay, anytime if you're going to go buy something and you're like, oh, this is no problem, I'll just make the minimum payment, don't buy it. Okay, all right, so moving on to today. So you guys should have made, oops, let me get onto the right Google Classroom. You guys should have made an econ lowdown assignment and added it and it got onto my class. If you did not already, the directions are here. Okay, so you need to make an econ lowdown account and then put in this class code. It's going to take you to the personal finance class. For today's lesson, all you are doing is, and mine's going to look a little different. Okay, get out of here. Mine's going to look a little different than your guys's because I have a teacher view. But you are going to be completing this assignment, Cards, Cars, and Currency, Lesson 2. This is all about credit card agreements. So when you are deciding what credit card you want, if you decide that you're going to have credit cards, when you're deciding what credit card you want, you need to look at the credit card agreement. Okay, on every credit card agreement, there's going to be something called a Schumer box. This is where it's going to tell you what the interest rate is for the card, how long the grace period is, what the penalty interest rate or APR is. It's all the terms and conditions of that credit card, and you need to be able to read it, know what it means, and decide if that's the credit card for you. So this lesson is going to walk you through that. I will see when you're done with this lesson on Econ Lowdown, okay? So you don't need to turn anything on the Google Classroom. You just need to complete this on this website. Okay? Great. See you guys later.